Okay, for this video, we want to know at what times will Q be exactly 9 meters above the ground. So if you recall, the equation from the previous videos was h of t equals -2 times cosine of, what was it, 30t and then plus 10. Okay, well, 9 meters is going to be our height, and we basically want to solve this equation. -2 times cos of 30t plus 10. And if I do the math here, I bring the 10 over, I will get -1 equals -2 times cos of 30t. Divide both sides by -2, I get 1/2 equals cos of 30t. I do the inverse, so cos inverse of 1/2 equals 30t. And I believe 1/2, if I'm not mistaken, I got 1, 2, it'll be 30. If you don't recognize, I'm using the 1, 2, root 3 triangle. So I'll get 30 degrees because it is opposite over hypotenuse. 30 here. And then we'll equal 30t, which means t is equal to 1. So, at 1 second, the height is 9 meters. But where else? Notice how there is a possibility for a plural here. So our cycle looks something like that. We got 0, 6 in the middle, and 12 at the end. Here I'm going to have 9, and over here I will have 3. So 1 second is roughly here. So 1 second. So it looks like at some other point over here, I will also be 9 meters above the ground. Where is that? Well, 1 second is, 1 second after 0. And you could ask the same question, what's 1 second before 0 to get the value on the other side, on its way down? Well, that's just going to be 11. So the times at which the height of the blade is 9 meters above the ground, they're going to be 2. You're going to have 1 second for t1, and t2 will be 11 seconds. Now here's a challenge to you. Can you come up with a formula for the height of the blade when it will be 9 meters above the ground for all times, not just 2 in the first cycle, but in any cycle? So a formula to determine exactly when it will be 9 meters above the ground at all times. I'll leave that up to you.